Okay, we're on craftsmanship. The next technique we're going to cover is hatching, cross-hatching, stippling, and what I call scrumbling. I kind of made that up. Maybe I didn't, maybe I just heard it somewhere, but I'm claiming it as a Murray technique for using marks. And we use marker. Isn't that funny? Part of the word marker is mark. We use marks very close together or spread apart to create value. Because we know that this tip would not be able to, last if I put pressure on it. But what I can do is I can place my marks very close together to give the illusion of a dark. So I'm going to start with hatching. And hatching is just that. It's hatch, 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 hatch. I'm placing my marks vertically right now, but you don't have to. It doesn't really matter which way you place them. But as I move out, I'm going to get my marks further apart. And I'm going to go over and make some of my hatch marks a little bit wider over here. In other words, I'm doubling up on the hatch. Because I want, and if you squint your eyes, it will help you to see how the value is working. There. That's hatching. I notice this marker is a little dried out, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I'm going to get my new one. Here I'm going to do cross-hatching. I think I will start by making my lines. This takes a little bit of time, which is why if you were working on a large scale, it would take so long, it would really be a project that you would invest many, 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 many hours in. But for practice, you can get the idea. Now, did you notice I just changed my direction on the hatching? I was going one way, and now I'm crisscrossing over to make cross-hatching. And do you notice if I get my lines really close and compact and compressed here, it appears really dark, and then it gets lighter as I'm also spreading them out. So that's hatching and cross-hatching. Hatching is one, cross-hatching is doubling, going the opposite direction from dark to light. Next, I'm going to practice stippling and scrumbling. So I'm going to pause.